Important question for your exam, that is find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A equal to this one and B equal to this one. So we should know about the section formula, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. That is the section formula, like that is distance formula. Okay, so you should remember this one. So let us, what we will take, we will take 2 points P and Q where the points of trisection A and B. So in the A and B line segment, so here we will take 2 points P and Q like this. So distance between these two will be equal always. From here to here, suppose 1 cm, here to here also 1 cm, and here to here also 1 cm. Then see 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, that means first part, second part, third part. So we have got this one. Now just establish this point there, that is 2 minus 2, that is A point, and B point is given here what, 7 4. Yes, minus 7 4. So from the diagram it is clear that AP equal to what, PQ, AP equal to PQ, and PQ equal to what, QB. So distance from here, distance from here, distance from here is equal. Now what happened, P divides AB internally, okay, in the ratio that is 1:2. See, if P, if we'll compare from here, that is 1 1 1, that is if point P will take, that is 1, then this 1 plus 1, this equal to 2. That means from here to here and from here to here, then ratio will be 1:2. Therefore what happened, coordinates of P, the you can write coordinates of P, what happened then, PR, you write, use the section formula, then use this one 1, that will be what, think that is what, A is what, 2 minus 2, and B is what given, minus 7 4, that is what, x1, that is y1, and that is x2, that is y2. Now put the value, and 1:2 will be this equal to m1:m2. So you must remember this one, that will make you easier. Now put the value there, then that will be what, minus 7 plus 2 into 2 whole divided by m1 plus m2, that means 1 plus 2 comma, you write there, then this one will come, yes, m1 into this one 4 plus 2 into minus 2, now 1 plus 2. So now you can do this one directly also. This equal to what then, see, minus 7 plus 4, this is plus 4 by 3, and here you will get, that will come what, minus will come, 1 into this one, minus will come, yes, then 4, that will become minus 2 to 4 whole divided by 3. Now see, this equal to minus 3 by 3 and 0 by 3, yes, then cancelling this one 1, that is 0, yes, then that will be minus 1, and that will come 0. So 1 point we have got. And now from the figure you see, for Q point, what happened, Q also divides, divids divides AB, that means this point, AB is the main line segment, so Q also divide AB internally, yes, internally, yes, in the ratio, yes, that will be 2:1. Then see, you compare from here, from A point to goes this one, then that will be 1:2. Then see from the B point, that will be, this will be first, then 2:1. That is the meaning. So this will be what, 2:1. Now what happened, the coordinates of Q R, what will be then? Use the section formula again. Take this one as x1 y1, x2 y2, and that will be what? 2:1. This will be m1 and m2. Before it was what? 1:2. That was m1. Now this will be what? 2:1. Then that will be m1. That will be m2. That is the important one. So this we will get what? So 2 into -7. Okay. So use the formula, section formula. I have written this one here. So be careful, this one. Plus 1 into 2 whole divided by 2 plus 1 comma. Then this will be what then? 2 into 4. So this will come what? 4. Yes, 4 bracket plus from the formula 1 into -2. Yes, bracket, then 2 plus 1. Now just do this one. Then this will be 2 17s are what? And minus is there. -14 plus 2 whole divided by 3. Then this will become 8 minus, directly we will do 2. Then this will come 3. So this is equal to what? -12 by 3. Yes. Then this will give 6 by 3. Yes. Now cancel this one. 3 4s are 1. Yes. 2 1. Yes. You will get. So this is equal to -4 and this is equal to 2. Yes, dividing by this one, this 2. So now we have got what then? So now you write, therefore the coordinates of this one will be what then? I am just reading this one, that coordinates of the points of what giving? Trisection. As per question it is giving trisection of the line segment joining yes, A and B are what happened then? One is what? -1 0 and B is what? -4 2. So we are getting this one. So that is the required one and that is the answer. So be careful, this one. This may come in your exam.